GEVO stock. This is for Wednesday. Am I buying or not? Covering this. So if you're interested in GEVO stock analysis, just watch this 1-minute video till the end. I mean, to kind of give you more clarity, once we zoom out, you just have to understand that GEVO really started picking up since August 2024. You know, before that it was just melting, and the whole outlook on this just shifted. You know, even me here, I just wanted to see the second break actually take place, a double break approach, and guess what happened? We broke for the first time, second break supposedly needed to be here, and just nothing happened from a swing perspective, and then kind of came down quite hard. Now that doesn't change the narrative that this still is very open for me, like to take things up, but obviously you must break through some highs first. But if I'm looking like to day trade this or whatever, like obviously this is going to be the time period there will be suitable to day trade. And I myself am not willing to particularly long unless I see a proper shift here, you know, proper double break. So I'm just saying I must see those longs. I want to see those shifts before I continue or do anything. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.